Hi there, Sanbonani Molweni. Welcome to Fix channel. For you here, please subscribe before the end of the video. If returning, thank you for love and support. I appreciate you. Lena Uthando Nes'thembu family, fans, followers, nabalandeli bamakhosikazi kababa Musa Mseleku. Uthando Nes'thembu i-TV show kuyavela ukuthi yenza kahle, kanti futhi nenye abeyenza umnakwethu nakhona la kunembiko ukuthi wenza kahle umnakwethu ukwi-top 10 ku-DStv. So ngizonifundela imessage or post kaMseleku. We are humbled by your support. When we started, we didn't know that you, the people of Mzansi, were going to support and love us so much. Thank you so much to my family, my beautiful wives, and my lovely, wonderful children. Hayi-ke guys, okwethu ukhalalisa ngasho ukuthi okuhle siyakuveza kule channel sihalalise la kufanele ukuthi sihalalise khona sibabongise. Congratulations to Musa Mseleku, i-production team, iy'ngane namakhosikazi. Yes, ishow yenza kahle mayiphela abantu bahleze bebelesele ukuthi sesibakhumbule ababuye. Kuyimanje silindele useason 7 because kunezinye iy'ndaba esifuna ukubona ukuthi kahle kahle bebethini ku-season 6 because kusayindaba eqhubekayo indlela engibona ngayo. Lana-ke mayiqhubeka kule post ithi fun fact, Musa Mseleku is the highest rated male or personality on DStv. His reality show Uthando Nes'thembu has been the highest rated reality show on the platform for numerous seasons. Mnakwethu also pulled big numbers and was constantly in the top 10 of DStv. I guess siyababongisa, halala yithi-ke labo angisithi sibuka ishow, yithi silandele ishow, yithi futhi siphinde sihlebeke kancane-ke ngabo kulezi ezinye izinto esuke singasazizo. Hayi, akukho okunye guys, update Uthando Nes'thembu, silinde season 7. Thank you so much for your love and support. Ngiyabonga angiqedi, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Bye bye.